Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview BioGuard Optimizer. With BioGuard Optimizer, it's even easier to achieve the best and most comfortable pool water you have ever experienced. BioGuard's all-new Optimizer makes your water both sparkling clear and amazingly soft. Optimizer also keeps pH levels under control, providing exceptional pool water without the need to adjust your swimming pool pH after application. Key features: easier application process without the need to adjust your pH, produces brilliantly clear water, softens water, and improves swimmer comfort. Product benefits: easier application process without the need to adjust your pH. Produces brilliantly clear water. Softens water and improves swimmer comfort. Water enhancer and clarifier. Usage directions. Step 1. Backwash or clean filter before adding BioGuard Optimizer. Step 2. Then add 15 pounds of BioGuard Optimizer per 15,000 gallons of pool water. Slowly add BioGuard Optimizer into your pool skimmer with the pump and circulation system on. Step 3. Allow pool water to circulate for 4 to 8 hours after application. Do not pour BioGuard Optimizer into a skimmer if circulation is not evident in the skimmer. Do not directly combine BioGuard Optimizer with any other product. Additional information: BioGuard Optimizer helps the BioGuard brominating, chlorinating, or biguanide programs work more efficiently. It buffers and helps keep the water balanced. In addition to creating soft and soothing water, this product helps suppress algae growth and is proven to improve water clarity. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.